guys, welcome back to my channel. Back with another video again, back in the kitchen again guys, showing you how I prepare a new banana bread recipe. Guys, big up on yourself and I hope you enjoy this recipe. Guys, I'm making banana bread. Okay, I have it already on my channel, but I just want to make it again a different way. So guys, here I have 3 ripe banana. You see them overripe and they're not rotten, them overripe. Okay, so I'm just gonna peel my ripe banana, them well ripe. Yeah, so this is what you need to use to make your banana bread, to get a nice flavor and a nice look. Ripe, overripe, ripe banana. Okay, here I have 3 here, so I'm just gonna use my fork and just mash them. Mash them. Mash them. Don't walk away from. Just gonna mash them until they get very soft. Okay, so them see so far. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do next is to add my butter. And guys, you want to use soft butter, or you can melt it, whichever one you prefer. I'm gonna show you all my ingredients, okay guys? And this is my butter. It's soft, it's not melted, but it's well soft. Okay, just gonna add my butter. I'm gonna go in again with my fork. And making bread pudding, it's a very easy recipe. It's not hard. Anyone can do it. You can do all things through Christ who strengthen you. Yes. Once from you have your egg in your body, you can do it. Okay. So what I'm gonna add now is my wet ingredients. I'm gonna add some vanilla. I'm gonna add a little yogurt, natural yogurt, okay? Not strawberry or vanilla or cherry yogurt, just plain yogurt, okay? I'm gonna combine all of this together. I'm gonna add, this is 2 eggs, okay? And the vanilla give it a nice smell already. Very nice smell. Okay. So you don't want mix it out too much. Okay, that's it now. So what I'm gonna do here, I have my all-purpose flour. My all-purpose flour, right? So what I'm gonna add to my all-purpose flour is some baking powder. I'm gonna add some baking soda. You know, if you want, you don't have to add it if you don't want to add it. Okay? This is just help to make the bun raise, the bread raise. Okay, and have some salt, right? Here I have some nutmeg, some cinnamon powder, and I'm gonna put some white sugar. I'm gonna put some dark sugar. I'm gonna combine all these ingredients together. I wonder if I need a big container. Look like I'm gonna need a bigger container, right? Yeah. gonna add in some raisin and some nuts, some walnuts. Yes. Okay. Look like I'm gonna transfer my flour mix into a different container because this one looks so small, and trust me, I don't want to have no problem with it. I'm throwing my wet ingredients. So this is my dry ingredients. What I'm going to add to my dry ingredients is my wet ingredients, okay? So I'm just going to combine all of this together. What I'm going to do now is to add my peanut, but not all of it. I'm going to add some of it at the top. I'm going to add some raisin. I'm going to throw in the rest of my wet ingredients. Combine all of this together. And while you're doing this, you can just go and preheat your oven. Yeah, I started my oven already. Even though I don't butter my pan yet. Okay? Yeah. And you don't wet out too much. You don't want to do that because you want a nice, you know, crusty. Depends on how you like your banana bread still. You understand? Yeah. So I'm trying to make a more moist banana bread. Yes, okay. I'm trying to get the flour from the bottom. I don't want to see any raw flour at the bottom. I want to see everything combined together, but I don't want to mix it too much. You understand? Yeah. Alright, then I will start mixing now. Okay? Let's have a taste. Excellent. Excellent. Smells good and it tastes really good. Nothing wrong if it tastes your food before you cook it now. Okay, I'm gonna start mixing it out now. What I'm gonna do next is to, with my pan, butter my pan. Okay? Here is my pan. Just gonna butter. Put the butter all over the pan. That's when I put in my mixture. It won't stick. Okay, guys? Yeah. So this is my recipe how I get a rich and moist banana bread. Okay? What I'm gonna do is gonna sprinkle some flour in my pan and just move it around. Move the flour around. No sticking, okay? You don't have to put no grease paper in there once you do this, okay? So what I'm gonna do now is to pour in my mixture and about 1 hour, and I'm gonna check it when it reaches 1 hour and see how well it is in the. Look at this. See this? Excellent. See this?
Why do you make it?
Yeah.
Why can't I make pizza? In the past.
So what I'm gonna do with the rest of the raisin and my nuts, just gonna put it at the top, sprinkle it at the top, okay? Like when I'm eating in the pastry, I like to feel the roughness in it, okay? So this is how I get my rich and moist banana bread. put it in the oven now for 1 hour, and then I show you how it look after 1 hour, okay? Back again, guys. This is how my looks so moist. And guys, I'm gonna test it after 1 hour and see if it bake. You hear the oven in the background? Yes, may I just test it? Alright, look at this. You see? It come off, when I say it come out clean. That means it bake. But may I just make it steam there for 10 more minutes, okay? Can dip it in the second time, and this is how I make it. So I make it stay in there for just 10 more minutes because I don't want it burn up, okay? Guys, I have taken moist, and trust me, it's really good. I'm gonna test it again and let you see right in the middle here. Look at this, nothing, okay? Nothing. So guys, I'm gonna let this cool for 15 minutes and then I show you. Oh, this is the finished look of my warmish. Ooh. Look at this. See this? All of this. Yummy. You can see the moistness in there. Yep. So I'm just put it on the board. Feel warm same way. So what I'm gonna do now is to cut it. Make it see how moist it is. Yeah. I'm loving the color. See the color we have? Exact color I was looking for. Ooh. So this is how. Look how moist it is. You see that? It is so moist. Guys, I'm loving it. Please subscribe, share, comment, and tell me all about this recipe, guys. Big up on yourself, and thank you so much for watching. Look at this. Look at this. So we see the moisture in there? Yes, man. This recipe show you how to make a soft and moist bread